guys, this is Taylor with Graffiti Shield here at your local Jack in the Box. Today we're going to be doing a remove and replace of anti-graffiti film. This is our 6mm glass shield product for vandalism and graffiti. Come check it out with me. Here is our removal process. This is an old aged film. This is how easy or hard it can be sometimes. As you can see, it's all cloudy and aged. The sun put some damage to it. This is our 6mm glass shield product that we're about to install. Come check it out. This is Wesley. He's right now removing the old 6mm glass shield product. It's about 5-6 years old, and it's coming off pretty decent. But any longer, you probably won't. All right, we're just about ready for an install. Finished up the adhesive removal and the glue removal, and window's pretty much clean. I'm gonna squeegee it off, and it's ready for some film. Get ready to install this 6mm glass shield product right there in the center window. Just tucking it, rolling it up, and you're ready. Pulling off the liner. This exposes the adhesive side of the film, which allows it to stick to the window. This water is for the slick and slide of the squeegee, so it doesn't jump around. It gives me a smooth glide to push the water out of the film that's underneath. I'm going to put their decals back on the window after we have installed the new film. Tell me if it's level. Window's been cleaned, scraped, wiped down on the edges, a little water and soap for the install. Fill a liner. I wet the top of the film, then the remainder of the door. Try not to disturb any dirt and grime. Place it nice without hitting any edges or any unnecessary moving. Nice and slow. This is a down roll technique, so the liner removes itself. Pull it out. I have a little bit of soap in there for movement. Spray it again. I like the placement. I like the way it's lined up. I lock it into place. This is what we call a T pattern. I lock the top, go straight down, and I push everything out to the side. I go about half a squeegee's length each time, all the way to the edge, applying some pretty good pressure. One final process is getting the edges. Use a hard card, paper towel to collect water. Just press those edges down a little extra. Really lock the edges. Get that water. That's it. We're all done here at Jack in the Box. Everything's been removed and replaced and reinstalled. Everything came out great. And we're excited.